Hey guys, welcome. And in today's video is a unique type. This is about channel achieving 1000 subscribers, like currently 1006 subscribers. So it's a huge first step, you can say, for me in this channel, like reaching at this goal. First of all, thank you everyone who have subscribed to this channel and kept watching the contents that I have created for you guys. Furthermore, I would like to give out some details of this channel, of course the progress and how many views we have achieved and what are the watch hours, because this is something rarely any YouTubers do other than their regular videos. So we're going to do one here right now. And the first thing, the views that we have achieved in 365 days this past 1 year, and we have achieved 129,526 views, which is 15% more than the last year, the second year I should say. And the watch hours that we have achieved in this 365 days is 2,279.9 hours, which is about the same as the previous year. And the top content that we had a video in this channel is Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 unboxing as a shorts video, totaling up to 51.2k views, followed up with installing Windows 10 in DOS new laptop. That's the video title that I gave. That is a normal video, that is 36.5k views. And the overview top content views in the last 28 days is Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 unboxing as a short video, totaling up to 6.2k views, followed up with the Redmi Watch 4 unboxing, which I just released a video this month itself, is 2.2k. In the real time 48 hours views, we have achieved in total 1222 views. So yeah, that's the data that I am seeing in my YouTube studio. And the last thing I would like to share is the countries that have watched my videos. First country that comes on this list is India. So currently 9.9%. Well, shout out to all of you Indians out there. Thank you for watching. The second number comes in Poland. That's quite surprising. That comes up 5.9%. Third position is Philippines. Fourth, Indonesia. Fifth, Egypt. Sixth, United States. Well, thank you all of you guys watching my videos wherever you are. So the next step that we are trying to achieve is the second criteria to get this channel monetized, and that is 4,000 watch hours, which is a huge step to take now, because currently we are at, I think, 2.2k hours. So let's see how we achieve this. Basically, I'm gonna step up making more videos, not the shorts, basically the normal videos. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and for those of you who are going to want to start up a new channel, so this might also give some insights to how this channel also progress, and hopefully theirs as well. Subscribe to this channel for more cool videos, and catch you guys in the next one.